On the front, you have two 20-pound propane tanks. Both are full and ready to go. This here is your indicator. So right now it's red, technically means empty. When I open the valve, it goes green to let you know that it's full. This arrow here is pointing towards this tank right now, which means that is your main supply tank. It will automatically switch over to this tank as long as this valve is in the on position. In behind the propane, you have two deep cycle batteries. Both are set and ready to go. You do have a battery disconnect switch down here at the bottom. So right now it's in the on position. Over here like that would be in the off, so arrows pointing towards that side, and pointing downwards is in the on position. On the side here you do have a light switch that turns on your dock lights at the front. So that switch is located right here on the side. Directly above the switch here, this is your docking station. So city water connection is right here. So that's campsite water. Antifreeze inlet to help you winterize. Cable and satellite hookups. In the box here, this is your outside shower. So you have hot and cold taps in there. This here is your freshwater fill. So you're just going to fill this up with a garden hose. To drain this tank is down underneath the trailer here. That's that big white valve there. Directly beside the freshwater fill is your camp power. So you're just going to line up the L, push the cord on. 25 feet of cord will be inside the trailer for you. Hot water heater is a DSI electric. All the switches to control that are inside the trailer. At the back here, so you have gray and black water tanks here. So gray water is on the left-hand side, black water is on the right-hand side. Always pull your black before your gray. Once you're done with your hose, there is a storage location up there. It's that tube that you see right there. You have 4 stabilizer jacks, 1 in each corner of the trailer. There will be a 3/4 inch crank inside the trailer to crank them up and down. Jumper door, so this here, fairly straightforward. This mattress here does have to be removed and put up to the top bunk. And then all you would do is just simply lift them up. Once you have the that out of the way there, the latch up here in the top will line up to a hole. So in that hole, you can see it there now, so it's just a little plate up on the side. You have the black water flush on the back of the trailer here. So this guy here, always remember to have the black water valve pulled when using. This is a one that's built inside the black water tank. This track here, this is designed for your outside side table and your griddle. The propane for your griddle comes out of down here at the bottom, so there's a hose that will connect. When you're in transit, always make sure that yellow plug is in place. 2 110 plugs. You do have an LED strip light underneath the awning. You do also have the porch light here for you. Outside speaker, and then this guy here is your range hood. So just 2 little tabs, you just push up on them to open that up. Furnace exhaust down beside the door there. Up here at the front, if you decide that you need to have more solar panels, you already have a solar panel up on the roof. You can add additional solar on the side. Your door. It is friction hinges. Always remember to pull closer to the left-hand side. Pulling over here will not open your door. Pulling on the left-hand side will. Another trick to help you go, push on the door a little bit, just to take the pressure off the latch. Opening your door all the way. You do have the motorized steps, so the blue handle here, pull it over to the right-hand side and put your steps in the down position. With your steps, always remember that both steps, feet need to be on the ground. To adjust that, if you want to pull your leg outwards, grab a hold of it, just simply pull. To push them back in, you're just going to push this guy here and feed your leg back in. When you close your door for the first time, always watch the bottom of the door. You want to make sure that the door is clearing your steps. As soon as we come in the trailer here, so this is our main panel here. So these are momentary switches, so you push them on, they stay in the down position. So interior lights, porch, awning, and step. All your lights inside the trailer also have buttons on the lights, so you can turn which ones on and off as you need be once they're on. Slide out control, in and out, awning, in and out. Water pump switch is up here at the top. Hot water heater on gas, hot water heater on electric. Battery level, fresh water and black water and gray water, all your levels are there. Main GFI plug. So sink, pretty standard. The stove here, so flip your glass up. Use a barbecue lighter to ignite. Turn whichever ones you wish to turn on. When you go to travel, always remember that this needs to be in the down position. Solar panel operation here. So that's just showing you what the panels are doing right now. So right now we're sitting at 12.7 volts. Perfectly fine, seeing as how we're in the shop. We do have no sunlight today. Microwave, it is a convectional microwave as well, which means that you do have the little metal rack in here for you. Fridge, so fridge, here is your travel lock. Opening your fridge, up here on the right hand side is where your dial is located to make your fridge warmer or colder. Bathroom, everything's pretty straightforward and simple for you in here. So your shower. Now down here at the bottom you do have the Aqua Meisner. So this is a water saving system here. So basically what happens, so see how that silver guy here is pointing towards the shower hose. That is in normal use. For the AquaSaver, you're going to turn this to the up position just like so. You're going to turn on the hot water, and then once the hot water is on with the plunger in the up position, this blue elbow is going to go gray. Once it goes gray, you would then take it and just turn that back down to the down position. Continue having your shower as you normally would. Toilet is a foot flush, so that lever there you just push down and it will flush for you. Bunk ladder is located up on the top bunk for you. Thermostat control here, so all the way to the left is in the off position. Pushing over to the right like so will turn it on. It'll ignite and do everything all by itself. Table, to set your table down into a bed, you're just going to simply undo your post here and then it's going to sit down onto these black pucks. At the head of the bed here, you do have an outlet location, so you push it, it pops up, and you can pull it up just like so. This guy here, this is your outdoor table. This is the propane line to go with the griddle. All the hardware for your griddle is inside the box for you. TST tire monitorings for you. This is your stabilizer crank, so 3/4 inch crank. Excuse me. This is a foot for your jack if you wish to take the wheel off. Barbecue lifter with a beer opener. Water filter wrench, water filter. Now your water filter location is directly below that bed here. You just remove this drawer here and it's off to the left hand side. In the black bag here, that's 25 feet of power cord for you. These guys here, you get 2 for this guy and 2 for the toilet paper holder. All the screws to mount that for you as well. 2 sets of trailer keys. The small remote is the radio remote. The big remote is the TV remote. And the brown bag is your owner's manuals. Radio is located above the TV. You can download the Furrion app and you can control and Bluetooth connect to that. The light switch that's directly beside the radio, that is for your Wi-Fi Ranger. Your password for your Wi-Fi Ranger is directly below the light switch. If you have any questions, you can give us a call at 519-371-0370, or you can email us at info@terryswithanstrailer.ca.